How to add link to Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now if you want to copy the link, what you're going to do is tap on any profile that you want to copy the link of. So you can see the three dotted lines here. Select on that and here you can see no way of copying the link. So here it says see where to share the link. So get back and then you can see the icon for link under the post and then select that and select the copy link option right here. After that, what we're going to do is tap on the plus icon right at the bottom of the screen and then scroll and you can find the option of post. Now you can choose any picture you want, select next. Now here at write a caption section, we're going to paste the link that we had copied and then there you go. A link to your Instagram post has been attached. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.